Bonjour, hello, welcome to the belly dance for complete beginners. I'm Joany, and today we're going to focus on accents. What are accents? Usually it's to embellish a sound that has a little bit more oomph or like sharpness, and it's crispy and it's just like pop it, right? So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing some pop movement and some walk movement and some kind of sharp drop movement. So get into something comfortable and come and belly dance with me. Okay, deep breath in. Open up your lungs, your heart, expand, and then let your arms just drop on the shoulder blade. Again, these are the wonderful wings that you have right here. All right, so keep that elevated and try to find the center on your arch. Okay, your weight where it's supposed to go, not back, not forward on the arch. Now soften your knees just a little bit, relax your pelvic, okay? Keep this lifted, relax your jaw. Good, I'm gonna focus on the belly for now, okay? So I want you to kind of pull the belly in towards your spine and then release. In and release. In and release. So the first movement that I'm gonna focus on the accents will be the lock movement, okay? So just first warm up those muscles and release. Contract and release. Now let's make that contraction a little bit more fast. And it's like you're kind of pulling it. It's like really fast. You know, you got scared and it's like, okay? So let's do it on the doom. So you're gonna go doom and release. Contract and release. Or it's like somebody punched you in the belly and you're like, protecting your organs. And this is your lock movement. Bring it in and release. Don't forget to breathe into this. Don't hold your breath. Lock it and release. Lock it and then relax. Lock it and relax. And release. Lock it and relax. Pull all your muscle in towards your spine. Pull it in and release. Pull it in and release. And that is your lock movement. Shake it out. So let's say we do kind of a step. Let's do 3 steps to your right. So side, together, side, and then pull that belly in. And then let's repeat on the other side. And here you go. Side, together, side, side, together, side, and lock it. Side, together, and side. Lock your belly in. Side, together, and side, and pull it in. And then release. 2, 3, pull. 1, 2, 3, pull. 1, 2, 3, pull. One more. 1, 2, 3, pull. Last one to the left. 2, 3, pull. Excellent. All right, so now we're going to focus on the pop movement. So we're going to focus on popping your belly out. So you're going to pull it in first, and I want you to kind of push it out. And when you push it out, it's like you kind of force. So you're using the muscle going outward. So you kind of pop and release. Pop and release. Pop and pull it in. Pop and pull it in. So you really push it out. Really keep working your muscles to kind of explode out. Push it out. Pop. Bring it in. Pop. Bring it in. Pop. Actually, I love doing the pop because sometimes when things in your life, it doesn't go the way you want it and you feel a little bit anger, I find that this is just a good kind of release it. In, pop it. In, pop it out. Just let that explosion come out. In and pop. In and pop. in, and pop. Excellent. So you really are working the muscles going outward. So the muscles are working in both directions here. So we're going to go and do the same travel step. So you're going to go to the right side, together, side, and then I want you, as you're going and traveling, kind of slowly prepare your belly to kind of contract. You pull, and then pop. So now we're going to travel and slowly pull that belly in. 2, 3, and pop. 1, 2, 3, pop. 1, 2, 3,